great to have in your car when you go on a trip, where you can keep constant communication back and forth on the convoy.
Oh my God, what a great idea!
This is RF Radio Network.
So I just wanted you guys to see. So this is the Retevis. Wow, it's actually getting warm.
Well, it's not getting any
It's
air
actually,
cycle.
yeah, there's no. It's. I left it in the trunk. Yeah, feel it. It's kind of warm.
It's not that bad. That's
No.
that's normal.
Okay.
I mean, you leave it open, it'll cool off.
Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is your radio on?
This one is. Bye.
Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Check 1, 2. Crank the volume up. I can't even hear it. Hey, yo, whoa. Testing 1, 2. Okay, good. All right, so we're using the 29. I don't know if anybody could see us because the sun is blaring on us. So we both have the same radio. Retevis provided this for us. And we're going to do, I'm going to drive. I'm going to have the HT in the car. I'm going to recording it. And he's checking it out. It's basic. I'm not sure. Let's see what the volume does. I'm curious. Let's see what, I didn't understand what that was. So if I press quickly, let's see if it actually lowers the volume. Let's see. No. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did it lower the volume? Talk to me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did nothing.
I have no idea what that volume is for. I'm confused. There's no speaker on this.
Is it power for the
Is there a
the
microphone
repeater?
hookup?
No. Maybe it's through this. Through the it didn't say that in the manual.
I would think it would be.
I'm gonna just keep it 15. Volume 15. All right. So
Power?
yeah, that's the DB.
That's the only connection, right?
Yeah, that's the only
And
connection,
antenna.
right? And then the antenna, which, by the way, the antenna is that's a Tram 1174 we're using. We're not using the diamond. The diamond's on my other radio. So that's the 3 dB gain antenna that I recommended to everybody. So we're not. So it's going to be a 20 watt ERP. So I'm just going to drive. I don't know which way you want me. If you guys are going to be hanging out there, which way should I go?
We'll go on the side of
Go on the side, yeah.
tables,
I'll make a left.
and you make the left, and we'll just talk to you from there.
Okay.
And we'll get you on the Retevis.
Yeah. Okay. Make sure you use that radio. You're recording it, and don't
I'm in
record
mode.
this way.
Well,
Hit
go to
stop,
video.
hit stop, and then restart because it won't
That's
work.
fine. I restart for you.
Okay.
I do
Because no, it
think
works better this way when you do it like
it's
this.
panoramic.
Yeah, I mean, you got those black lines on the side.
Right. Exactly. Okay. Cool, Joe. All right. So I'm gonna drive. We're gonna go, and we'll get this going here. All right. So now we're in the car. We're gonna do a simple. Let me just lower the WQSY 810. You guys here? You have a copy on me? I'm
Still in the parking lot. I didn't leave yet.
That's affirmative.
810.
We got a copy.
On you loud and clear.
all right. So I'm gonna make a right.
Down. I'm going to go towards Fact Chicks instead.
Copy that. No, he's going to go the opposite way, and then he's going to come back.
See how far it goes in that direction. And then I'll make Yui come back and go the other direction. So you know what? Let me set the clock. Let me do the trip. So I reset the trip, and we're going to go. We'll see how far this goes. Okay, copy that.
I can't believe it. The sun is in such a perfect spot. Check 1, 2. Passing the nail.
We're passing Granny Road. No problem. Loud and clear.
It's passing Granny Road already. Still coming in loud and clear.
So, it's only 0.2 miles.
The Retevis. I don't know, Paul. What do you think about these radios?
They seem to be pretty good. It's definitely well built.
I think they're good. I like them. No,
1, 2. I'm at right at the traffic light of 83. Copy that. Still coming in loud and clear. No issues. You're coming in, it's kind of weird. Whoa. That's interesting. Can you guys walk towards the front of the building? Remember, the building is blocking you. Well, you know, whatever. Doesn't really matter. This is perfect. If it starts to get a little scratchy, then I'll ask you to move front to the front of the building. So this is a good test. Stay where you are.
Copy that. Copy that. We're going to move to the front of the building anyway.
So we're currently at a half a mile, which isn't really a lot.
Half a mile is not much.
I'm going to continue straight forward, and we'll see. Remember, we're in a rural area, so it's like lots of buildings and stuff. Tons and tons of...
Of course. It's going to be some type of
low
interference.
buildings, but they're still here.
Yep, copy that.
God. People need to learn how to drive. They're going so slow at the stop sign here. I mean, at the traffic light. It was green for such a short amount of time. Paul, do you have a radio there that you could chime in using your radio as well, or no?
He doesn't have the PL tone on the to chime in, unless we can use Simplex.
No, the PL tone is 136.5.
Yeah, he doesn't have it. He said you don't have the frequency programmed in there, so he can't do it.
He can manually, well, whatever. He can manually do it. Aw. Wow, Mommy, I don't know how to program my Yaesu radio.
Stand by, he's going to try and manually put it in the Yaesu and get him to chime in.
Copy that. It's 462 600 and then 467 600.
Copy that, he's working on it.
Copy that. I mean, it's not imperative that he does it, but you know, it'd be cool if he could give it a shot. So how you reading me? I'm actually at the Shell station. We're at 0.8 miles. I'm pretty far away. I mean, and I'm going downhill.
It's affirmative. You're loud and clear. You didn't even skip a beat.
That's awesome. How about now? Check 1, 2. We just hit 1.1 miles. How do you read me? Testing. I'm actually at the that land source supply area. That's where I just passed. Ooh. All right, you're actually coming in scratchy. Once you walk to the front of the building.
We're in front of the building.
All right, so I'm at 1.5 miles right now. 1.5 miles. And remember, the antenna is low. It's at car height. It's not even up high at all. Can you still hear me or no?
I still hear you. I'm going to get a little scratchy.
Wow, that's actually a really good test. All right, we're at 1.8 miles. Paul, if you can still hear me, I'm actually at the Lowe's. You guys know where that is? Can you hear me still? Copy? WQSY 810. Do you still have a copy? I'm at Lowe's. Do you still have a copy? I'm at Lowe's, 1.8 miles. Looks like that's it. WQSY 810. You have a copy? I'm at Lowe's. Check 1-2, Kilo Delta, excuse me, WQSY 810. You guys still have a copy? All right, so it's 1.8 miles is the seems like to be the limitation. Remember where the antenna is on the car. That's not bad. All right, I'm on my way back. I'm going to go the other direction. Let's see how that works in the other direction. All right, this is kind of an extreme scenario here. I'm not sure. I mean, again, height is might when you're dealing with UHF. You guys need to understand that. Height is might. And we're not. We're just about 6 feet off the ground. And we traveled 1.8 miles away. I'm transmitting with an HT to the repeater, which is the antenna is literally on the roof of the car, so it doesn't have far to go from me. But the other HT, which should be 5 watts, is transmitting from there to my car and sending it back to me. So remember, garbage in, garbage out. If it comes in like crap, I'm going to hear it like crap. Simple as that. WQSY 810, portable. How do I sound now?
Sounded real good.
All right, so I'm at 1 mile. Just traveled 1 mile, and I'm passing the extra space storage facility. All right, so it's not. I mean, come on. We have to remember. I was just telling the listeners and the watchers that at 1.8 miles, it's not bad because the antenna is only 6 feet off the ground. It's on the roof of the car, and that's what this test was. It was on the roof. The next test we're going to do is I'm going to hook it up at the house, and the antenna is going to be 35 feet off the ground, and we'll see how that goes. So Joe, what did you think of it?
I think that these are awesome, especially if you're gonna do a road trip. You have the repeater and the guy with one radio in the car, and somebody maybe a mile behind you or half a mile behind you. The whole way through the trip, you'll be in constant communication without any interference or interruptions. They work really good, these Retevis radios. I would buy one and just to have it.
All right.
I think it's awesome.
Yeah, thanks, Joe.
You're welcome.
RF Radio Network.